Okay, so we've only got one more part to do, and then we'll create the assembly of all these parts. And this here is actually going to be the speaker. So this time we're going to use the front. I'm going to create a sketch, and we're going to use a revolve. So we're only going to draw in this quarter here. So we're going to use this line tool mostly, drag it out to any length. We're going to make that 40 millimeters long. Drag down, and you can see it snaps on to 90 degrees. So drag down, and make that 2 millimeters long in that direction. Now we're going to go back on ourselves, 5 millimeters long. Now this bit, we're going to go to this center point, but it doesn't matter how long this is. So we can click anywhere and then head up to here. And this one, we're going to make 15 millimeters long. So that's our basic shape here so far for our speaker. And if we revolve that, we'd get sort of a cone with a lip on it. I'm going to carry on using my line tool. I'm going to go along this line until it snaps to the middle with that yellow box. I'm going to click, drag over till it grabs onto this line, and slide up until it makes a lovely parallel line. So then I can click. I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm just going to trim off that part and that part, which will leave us with this sort of kind of parallelogram looking part. I'm going to get a center point circle, place it onto there so you can see the yellow box tells me I'm on the right part. Drag out to any distance and set that as 10 millimeters. And for this, just to help us with cutting the part that I want, we're just going to grab one more line and drag it past. Grab our scissors, and the bit we want, we're going to get rid of this, and this, and those, and that's the part I want. So I'm hoping when that rotates, it will look a little bit like a speaker. So this part, we're done with this so far. We're not going to click extrude or anything like that. We're now going to select the front one more time. Just simply draw a line, doesn't matter how long, and then we're going to tick that line, and we're going to use that as our axis. So now we can go to revolve, click revolve, and it asks me faces and sketches, sketch regions to resolve, and basically that's that part, that's the bit we've drawn. The revolve axis is this part here, and you can see we've drawn out that speaker. Tick. And the last thing I want to do is, most speakers are sort of a grey or a black, so I'll make it that colour. So that's all 4 parts we need to create our speaker. We're then just going to, in the next video, do the assembly.